Good morning, everybody. All right, today we are going to show you how to go back and forth between the 3D view and the 2D view of your floor plans, and then I'm also going to show you how to get your properties bar and your project browser back if you happen to lose them. So these aren't real tough, so just kind of bear with me. This is just about where we left off last time, so uh, hopefully this will look familiar to you. Okay, so if you're at a floor plan right here and you want to look at the 3D view, you are going to go up to your view bar. You're going to simply click on that. And you're going to go to this guy that has a little 3D view of the house. Okay, and if you hover over it long enough, it'll tell you what it's going to hover or what it's going to open up. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to bring up this awesome 3D view of your room. Okay, so as you kind of spin this guy around, you can see all your doors and windows and your walls, and you can tilt it, which is really nice. And that'll play a big role once we get into kind of filling our room up with all those lovely little goodies that we need to do. So, all right, so this is our 3D view. And in order to get back to your 2D view, all right, all you need to do is go over here to your project browser and press on level 1. You're going to double click on it. Double click level 1, brings you right back here. Nice and easy. Okay, so if I go back to my 3D view, okay, that's fine. It's all good. All right, now let's say that you do something and you lose your properties and you lose your project browser and you're like, oh no, where to go? And you're freaking out and you're like, I can't do anything on it. Okay, so all you have to do in your view, just click on your view if you're not already there. Go over here to the user interface. This is going to be like restorative of all your things if you ever lose them. So you're going to go here, click on that, and then right here, these are all the things that you can have showing. All right, so right now we've got the view cube, the navigation bar, okay, the status bar work sets, etc., etc. Okay, the ones that you're going to need to modify things and add new things and all that other stuff is the project browser. You're just going to click on it, and hey, look, it appears. Okay, the other one you're going to want to have open is the properties. So properties, and see, comes right back. Super, super easy. All right, so whenever you want to add new things or change new things, you're going to go over to your architecture, okay, tab, and that's going to allow you to add all the other little things here. Okay, so that is how to go back and forth between your views and how to restore your properties and project browser. Okay, that's a real short, quick intro video, and I hope that is helpful. Happy building.